Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to make a quick website for your business or for a client's business or for a friend's business. And I'm going to show you how to make a website within about 5 to 10 minutes, really easy, really quickly. And it's basically how to make a website if you're not a developer. Because there's nothing worse from what I found from previous experience. Sorry about the screen. There's nothing worse than what I've found is having to wait for developers to make your website, and they're charging about anywhere from £500 to £1,000 now to build a bog standard website. So the secret is this little thing called Clickfunnels. Now I'm just going to open an incognito window, so bear with me. We'll go on Google Chrome for this. So I'm just going to open an incognito window. Basically, an incognito window means that there's no cookies, so there's nothing saved in the browser. So I should get to see the Clickfunnels website as if I am not an actual member. And by the way, I will leave a link to the Clickfunnels website below for you to be able to download a free 14-day trial. So this is Clickfunnels. So, this is a really nice website that they've made. So you get a 14-day free trial here. Their slogan, funnily enough, is enabling people to grow their companies through sales funnels. So ClickFunnels don't actually call their websites. They call them sales funnels. It's just another clever name for a website, and it's just an extra added bonus that you get with this. Which I will show you in a moment. So, this is the website, ClickFunnels, much better than Wix. I did used to make websites on Wix, and I've made websites on WordPress, but this is the best thing since sliced bread as far as I'm concerned. So, you're going to, here there will be a sign up button, but because I'm already a member, it's obviously asking me to log in. So I would obviously log in, and then you would go to, this is the page you would see. So what I want to do to create a website is if I go on here, I can build a funnel. So I can create a new funnel, or there's actually like a cookbook. It's called the Start Cookbook. And these are like ready-made ones that you can just go on and change the logo for. But I'll just show you, I'll show you a website that I've made on there. So these are all my websites that I've made on there. Obviously some of them for me, some of them are for clients. So this is one, Social Royalty. As you can see, there's different pages on the websites here, and they're in like a funnel format. So if we go on to, let's say, edit the page. Really quick software as well, ClickFunnels. So here you can see, so it basically works with like columns, rows, and sections and elements. So you add a section, and then you can like add a row within a section, and then a column, and then an element. So an element is like your logo, for example. If you look at this, this is an image element. So let's say, for example, under this video, I wanted to add an element. I can just click the add button on the element. Wrong button. So I clicked on the actual video. So add element. And it's asking me what I want to add: headline, subheadline, paragraph, image, video, video pop-up, audio player. So let's say I want to add a button under this video. So I can add a button. There's a button. Now I want to edit what the button says and does. So here, button text. So create website. And then you can make it, you can do anything here. You can change the text of the button. That's the subtext. So subtext is here. So create website now. So you can see subtext, have it as big or small as you want. You can have your button as big or small as you want. You can do different things with your button, like you can change them colors. You can, basically you can play around with this and do loads of stuff with it. It's really, really in depth. So with this particular button, I want to send them to a website. So set action. So I can submit the page, I can open a pop-up, I can go to a website URL, I can go to the next step in the funnel, or I can scroll down to a section on the page. So in this case, I want to go to a website funnel, www.google.com. In the same window or in a new window, we'll go in the new window just to show you. So now I've added that button, I'm going to save it. Let's preview that. There you go. So my new button is there. Google, is it going to take me? No, it didn't. That's strange. So I'll go back to the editor. Set action. www.google.com. That should have gone. Let's have a look. Maybe the website has the HTTPS in. So let's go back. Let's put it as that. And let's save. So X them ones off. Preview. Create website, and there you go. We're on to Google. We got there in the end. Okay, so there's the website. I mean, this is just a website I made for a client, just a social media website. You know, any website development company would probably charge £600 for this. It took me 10 minutes. They can join the social royalty monthly service. This takes them to another thing, and then they can, like, you know, you've got a checkout feature on here. It works with Stripe, so you can easily integrate Stripe into this. You can, yeah, it's really, really good. So that's how you would do a funnel. You've also got like really clever things in here, like lists. So you can create lists, so email lists. So let's say I want to add a new list. You can do like list movement. So you would add a list. So let's say I had a list. Well, I'll give you an example actually. So I'll show you an example. So email lists. Is there any in here? Okay, so like IHOP Festival. So we've got 3 lists in here. IHOP deposit paid, IHOP abandoned cart, and IHOP registered interest. So you can create lists, and then you can create an action that moves them in and out of each list depending on their action on the website, whether they purchase. So if we go back to the funnel, social royalty, the one that I just made, and let's say I go to my purchase page. This is like my cart page. Automation. This is where I would do like create list movements. So like trigger the events. So I can have events like add a new action. So I can do anything. Move to purchased. Purchase list. Purchase, so condition, saw page but didn't purchase, purchased. Leave that always like that. Action to do, so add to list. You can also like remove them from a list, send them an email notification. Like if I do email notification, you'll see it gives me an email. Add to list. And it's going to ask me which list I want to add them in. I've got many lists. Let's add them to Social Chimp members. Create action funnel, boom. Move to purchase list immediately. There you go, I'm going to delete that if you don't want it. Okay, so I hope that's helped you, and basically as well, with this, when you actually download Clickfunnels for the first time, every day for, I think it's a month, Russell Brunson, who is like the face and the owner of Clickfunnels, he will send you video tutorials every day to sort of help you and teach you on Clickfunnels. So, I mean, just to give you an idea, 12 months ago, I never had Clickfunnels. I downloaded Clickfunnels not knowing really what it was. just to try it out. And within 30 days, I was pretty much an expert on ClickFunnels just by watching the video tutorials. And also, if if ever you need any answers to any questions that you may have, you'll always find videos on YouTube in relation to any training issues that you've got in regards to this software. So there's loads and loads of content out there to help you with ClickFunnels. I mean, ClickFunnels itself is making literally many people rich. I'll just show you what I'll do. When you actually join ClickFunnels as well, you can go into the ClickFunnels group. So I will just show you ClickFunnels official group. So basically everybody that's got ClickFunnels is in this group. There's probably more people that have got ClickFunnels, but this is 158,000 people that have got it. So if you click into the group on Facebook, it's just full of people sharing ideas and things that they're doing and workarounds. Like the support that you get. Look, there you go. I mean, this guy's just bought a Rolls Royce by using ClickFunnels. This guy here, Akib Ahmed, 1 million in online sales. I mean, I remember this guy. He's from the UK. He started with ClickFunnels. I think it was after me, and he sells a course via ClickFunnels, and he's part of the 2 Comma Club. Let's have a look what else we've got. Basically, just loads. So it took some courage for me to write this, but here goes. I'm a member of quite a few Facebook groups. Okay, no. Anyone else having problems editing elements on the ClickFunnels page? It won't open settings option. What's going on? But again, he wrote that 25 minutes ago. Someone will get back to him. Basically, just loads and loads. About 100 clicks and I have 2 opt-ins and no sales. Any suggestions? So then people are all writing back to him. Let's have a look. I would change your message. Come at it from a different angle. 98 people are telling you it's not good enough. What I'm showing you. And again, there's people doing Facebook adverts in this group. 2p a click. We hit 10k for £80. So they made 10 grand for 80 quid. Really good. So what I'm trying to show you here, guys, is this was a good one. Who in here thinks they have some valuable knowledge to share with other entrepreneurs to grow their business? I'm looking for A players in this group. There is so much stuff in here. I mean, this group itself is worth the money. I mean, ClickFunnels is $97 a month, so you pay monthly for it, for the software. There is another version. I've got the $297 a month version. I get my value out of that all day long. I build funnels for clients. I'm charging £1,000 for a funnel. I'm doing about 10 funnels a week at the minute, so I'm doing about £10,000 a week using ClickFunnels. So easy. So yeah, I hope that's helped. And like I said, I've left a link below the video or above the video for you to be able to get ClickFunnels. Download it, try it out, learn, and yeah, good luck. And I hope you smash it online with ClickFunnels.